Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, look for the option called sounds and vibration, and after you find it, tap on it. And here we have ringtone option. You can tap on it, and right here we can adjust the ringtone volume by swiping on the slider or by using the crown button. You can also change the workout broadcast volume. So basically, if you start the workout, it will say something and you can adjust the volume for that. And it also says something when you stop the workout. And I think you can also make some like goals or reminders or laps. Basically, it will broadcast it to you during the workout, and you can adjust the sound volume for that. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the ringtone volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.